singer-songwriter named Jaydot. I love like his music. I can't play him because you know they might copyright me on here. My first concert. Hoping that it's gonna be fun and everything that I could imagine on my first concert. Like. So I just got done filming this look right here. Something simple. I just did literally 3 colors. Nothing that I haven't done before. These lashes though. These are the Zora Cosmetics. In the style Emme. If you use code MakeupSy 16, sis, you can get some money off. Go ahead and use it. Cause they fire, I'm already knowing. It's actually my first ever concert. Like, it was just so random. It was not planned. Like, I didn't plan to go to this concert. It was just random. I had the money, so I'm like, sure, bump it, might as well, you know. The year almost old, first concert, you know, why not? Singer-songwriter named Sir. He's so dope. I love like his music. I can't play him because you know they might copyright me on here. They be real goofy or whatever. This is my first concert and I feel like this is like my type of vibe. Like I'm real chill. Like this concert, I'm just hoping that it's gonna be fun and everything that I could imagine on my first concert. Like, but I thought I should just vlog. I don't want to consider this vlogmas. Because I just don't want to participate, but I feel like this is a vlog and it's around Christmas, so I mean it can be like sadness, Christmas sad, whatever you want to call it, vlogs aside, whatever. It's cold. Got my hood on. But this one is so cold. I'm having trouble holding this phone. I just wanted to check in with the game, you know. I think it's like 6:25. So these doors about to open now. Like today. Me and Nikita can't even see me. Yeah. It's all here. And it's moving. What she say? Stiff what? Stiff what?
Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what? For real, stiff what? Oh, no way. Stiff what? Well. No.
We're almost there. I hope it's worth it because it is real. Now they can see me. Oh.
Are you sure? Are you sure about me? Yeah. I mean, are you sure? Ooh, make sure. Are you sure about me? Yeah. Quit playing these tricks off of kids, you silly rabbit. But you keep saying that you don't got no tricks. What's your silly habit? Full disclosure. I need you to be sure about me. Hey.
Yes. Yes.
This is my cup, Timothy St. Clair. Yeah.
What's your Instagram? What's your IG?
Oh yeah, my name. My God. My name is TeaMarrr with 3 R's because I'm really, really raw.
Hey!
Marr like the planet with no S and 3 R's because I'm really, really raw. Like I said.
Hey!
Are you sure about me now a little bit, or should I let you know? Oh, in my mind, yeah. I just had your baby, yeah. I know I'm fucking crazy, yeah. But really, I'm a lady, yeah.
My name is Inglewood, so I'm representing Top Dog Entertainment. I'm from Inglewood, California. How y'all feeling tonight? You can save me from myself.
That's a lot. That burns so.
My life's duty is to live unruly. You should have never introduced me to the beauty in the darker side of heaven's view. Hey, Gucci fit her booty very well. All the Eagles, gangsters and heroes. Player in the game, but I'm making my own rules.
Hey, and I'm pulling up in something foreign. Foreign.
I like y'all, man. I like y'all. We're gonna do something special.
Yes! Yes!
I think this might have been off of her.
Yes!
Y'all got her.
Yes! It's my sound!
If you with somebody you love, hold them close.
Period!
We'll dance with them.
Last night, the first time I felt anything in a long time. Feels like I'm a fall off in the cold heart. Been up in so long. Love ain't what I came for, but it's here now and it feels good. You told me it was special, and you mean what you say. I don't wanna leave it there. Baby, you're all in my head, all in my head, baby, you're all in my head, all in my head, baby, you're all in my head.
Conversation that we never had. I say the right thing and you smile. Who gonna sing? Who know these songs? You know these lyrics? You know the whole song? You ready? Chicago, y'all think she ready? All right, come on up. First verse, come on. It's all right, whatever you know. I'm gonna help you out. Wait. If you only know the first verse, that seems kind of iffy. I'm gonna have to get somebody that know the song. Who know the song? Cause it's like two niggas over there pointing at you. So you come on up. Y'all give her a round of applause as she makes her way up. Nope. I'm sorry, mama. Not you. Let's give the other young lady a round of applause while she makes her way up. Cause she had four niggas pointing in a circle around her. So if she don't know it, I'm gonna blame it on that group of four niggas. Y'all still having a good time? Make some noise! I ain't got serenaded this whole tour. Oh, she knows she. Come on up, mama. Give a round of applause, another round of applause for our special guest. What's your name?
Alexis.
Alexis, where you from?
Gary, Indiana, but I reside in Chicago.
Okay. Go ahead and start that show track. You know. Oh, stop the show track. Stop the show track. She just looked at me and said, I don't know all the words.
Boy, if you don't get...
No.
Okay. I need somebody that knows the lyrics, mama. Respect, okay? They said I got a late curfew tonight, so I got time to kill, y'all.
Right here.
Come on, y'all.
Right here.
She ain't saying yeah. All right, the one jumping up over there. Grab her, Chuck. She is. This is so much fun. Don't body slam her. He almost suplexed her. A round of applause for our beautiful contestant number 2. What's your name? Tara, where you from?
Chicago.
You know these words? We sing it, oh nana. I'm gonna give you this mic right now. You gotta sing to me.
Oh, here we go again.
Here, I'll help you out. You start in the chair. I'll show you how it's done, and then we'll see how it goes from there.
Yeah.
But y'all, I'm gonna sing to her because this is tricky right now. I tried twice. Okay. So you gonna sing along? Y'all make some noise for my beautiful assistant for the day. You gotta do the assistant on. You know how to do the assistant on? Yeah, that's right. I'll be woken up this morning. Still I can taste you on the tip of my tongue. Looking for when you're sleeping. But I can't stop looking at you.
Then you get out. Next. Ralphie, get off the stage, sweetheart.
I'm ready for breakfast in bed. I'm ready for another round.
You already know my name. I just want to hear you down. What's your name?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I know, you know, we know. Use the box. Hey, your face, too late. Use the box. My face, your face, too late. Use the box. This is news to me, but like, turn it up. Turn it up. Turn that. Yeah. Turn it up. Turn it up. Yeah. Yeah. Turn it up. Turn up. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, nah.
If it ain't a party, then it's been a never had a problem that I couldn't solve. It must be official if I get it wrong. Quarter pound of fire, baby.
What happened?
Harder to remember, get harder to remember. I've been through enough to drive me crazy. I don't think my mama's gonna save me. Oh.
Look at y'all. And the keys are in the background. Period. I definitely kept mine on. They look like bronzer. I had so much fun. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna lose my voice. Yeah. Man. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. Well, if he would have came out, if he would have came out